Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your popcorn ceiling. This is the project that I did earlier this year, and the whole thing took me probably about 4 hours. I didn't have too much time to spend on this project, so I decided not to scrape and even the edges around the old popcorn. But if you do have time, if you do that, the final result is gonna look much better. I rented a gun hopper for about 4 hours, and I also bought this bag of ceiling texture. As you can see, everything is super cheap. I used my own pancake compressor, and this is the bag of ceiling texture that I got from Home Depot. I was using my regular drill with the mixing attachment, and basically all you need to do is get the bucket with the water, mix the popcorn to the right consistency, and then you just have to spray it in the area that you want to fix. To get good popcorn coverage, I was working at about 80 psi set on my compressor. My compressor is very small, so I had to stop frequently because when the pressure was dropping below 80 psi, I was not getting good coverage. As you can see, I was getting very nice coverage, and the texture looked very good comparing to the old texture in those areas where there was ceiling damage. Of course, I didn't have time to scrape the edges, which would help in the improving the quality of the whole work, but I really didn't have time to do it. You can see the wet spots, which you can see they have a little bit darker color, but after the whole thing dried out for about a day, you could barely see any difference. After waiting about 24 hours, I just took regular flat ceiling paint and I painted the area where the ceiling was repaired, and you could barely see any difference. As a matter of fact, when I got a couple of people coming to the apartment, they didn't even see anything on the ceiling. If you have small or large areas of a popcorn ceiling that needs to be repaired, you can see this is very easy way to fix it on your own. All you have to do is just rent the equipment from Home Depot, which is super cheap, and then depending on the size of the project, you buy one or more bags of this popcorn mix. And this is how the ceiling looked after the whole job was done. In my opinion, it looked really good. And I just painted it the next day, and this was the end of the project. Thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.